Hey everyone, and welcome back to Morgansoft. If you've ever seen a beautiful stained glass window and thought, I wish I could make that well, today's your lucky day. In this video, we're diving into stained glass techniques for beginners, from what tools you need to basic techniques and the most common questions people ask when starting out. So grab your goggles and let's get into it. So, what is stained glass art? Stained glass involves cutting colored glass into specific shapes, arranging them into a design, and then joining them using lead cane or copper foil and solder. It sounds intimidating, but once you break it down, it's a fun, hands-on craft that's totally beginner-friendly. What tools do I need to get started? You'll need a glass cutter, running pliers and grozing pliers, soldering iron, copper foil or lead cane, solder, 60/40 tin lead, a grinder, optional but helpful, safety gear, gloves, safety glasses, and a ventilated workspace. Start with cathedral glass or opaque art glass, which are easier to cut. Avoid textured or overly thick glass until you're more confident. Do I need any experience with soldering? Not at all. It's just a matter of practicing. Keep your irons steady and always work in a ventilated area. Think of it like learning to use a hot glue gun. With practice, it gets easier. Now, designing your pattern. Start simple. Use a printed template called a cartoon to trace your design onto the glass. Cutting the glass score along the design line using a glass cutter, then snap it cleanly with running pliers. Grinding the edges. This smooths the edges and ensures a snug fit between pieces. A small tabletop grinder works great. Foiling or leading, wrap each piece in copper foil if you're doing the Tiffany method. Press it tight and smooth out bubbles. Soldering, use a 60/40 solder and flux to join the foiled pieces. Take your time and let the solder flow smoothly over the seams. Cleaning and polishing. Once it's cool, clean off the flux, polish the solder lines, and voila, you have your first piece. Always wear safety glasses. Glass shards fly. Use a mask or ventilator when soldering. Fumes can be toxic. Wash your hands after working with lead. Keep your workspace tidy to avoid injuries. Don't want to waste expensive glass while learning? Try practicing your cuts on clear window glass first, or use scraps from a stained glass shop. Many sell grab bags of offcuts for cheap. Expect to spend around $150 to $300 for basic tools and materials. It might seem steep, but most are one-time purchases that last for years. Start with simple patterns. Avoid tight curves or tiny pieces at first. Label your glass pieces to avoid confusion when assembling. Don't rush the soldering. Patience makes perfect. Join a local stained glass class or online group. The community is super helpful. So there you have it. Everything you need to get started with stained glass. It's creative, it's meditative, and honestly, it's kind of addictive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY art content, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to make first. A panel, a sun catcher, or maybe even a lampshade. Thanks for watching Morgansoft, and remember, every great window starts with just one pane of glass. See you next time.